What's up, everybody? I'm the Gamer Snake Raptor, and I am back. It's been a while, and now my Bendy Alien Machine series is done. I'm not really that happy about that, and I know that there's gonna be a sequel. Please. But anyway, now that the Bendy Alien Machine stuff is out of the way, I can what I'm trying to say is now because of Christmas, what am I saying now? Oh yeah, basically, remember the Hello Neighbor video when I had that crack? It's back! Yep, crack 2.0. And I didn't really make a video in that while. But anyway, we're back, and we are ready to do a try not to laugh video. You guys know how to do a try not to laugh video? Good, let's start. Great job! No. No. Is that Mickey Mouse or something? And that's why I'm gonna be single for the rest of my life. Oh, cat! Oh god! Oh, that legit scared me. That made me just jump inside of me. Trying to be Sans? Okay. Chewie! I think I may need to skip a few videos just to make this a little bit shorter. Okay, then. It's time to get swole! That's never gonna happen.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun.
Dance with him.
Yeah, that's stupid. Animal cruelty. This needs to stop now. No, seriously, this does need to stop. Check out my stop animal testing video. Oh. I do karate, and I am a green belt, and that I nearly missed it, but what perfect karate teacher of the month.
One, two, three.
Oh.
Congratulations.
Praise Jesus. The power of Christ compels you.
Ainsley, I'm gonna get you.
Oh. Ghostbusters. The bad 2016 remake. Okay. Missed. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna skip some videos right now. Yeah, here.
Sit.
Okay. There's a dog now. Oh, that's
My
cute.
dad's a super fan.
Nothing creepy.
Look at his pillow.
Oh,
I've
God.
got a similar pillow.
No, the remix.
I got the eye of a tiger, dancing through. Oh.
She died. Meow.
Oh my.
Look at this. It's a race to the finish.
Really? That wasn't even that funny. I mean, that's actually pretty amazing. It's a race! Meow.
Ready, go.
What a successful career. Punch harder. You be more like your dad. Nope. Okay.
Beckham, who's the one who poops in their pants?
There you go.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Yeah, that happens all the time. But not all the time. That is way too big. Oof. Steal it or start. You'll spin me right round, baby, right round. I didn't get it. Is that a meme or something? Jeez!
You know, start sneezing.
Mickey Mouse. Really, Mickey?
If I had no glove.
Oh, it's Shrek. Headshot. Oh, no.
Are you sure you can hang it?
Yep.
All right.
Sure.
Got this.
Be careful.
Merry Christmas. Hopefully, for Christmas, I hope that you get a new ornament. I don't know why I'm saying Merry Christmas. It's like a month and 5 days later. Who cares?
Here he goes. Yeah.
Yeah. Go back to the swamp, Shrek. Great job. Another successful career. Spider-Man, my favorite childhood hero. That's how Infinity War went for him. What? Tell us. Is that a violin or a viola? I'm pretty sure it's a violin. What does this even matter? I mean, why did they even create a viola? It's basically the same as a violin.
Oh no.
Bite it.
Ow.
Sorry.
Take your mark.
Get set.
Go.
Wow. Okay. The fine is now $100. What? How's that even possible? Jeez.
Finish your food, baby?
Yeah.
Do you care if I go check
Good
the
job.
garbage can?
Run.
What the
Okay.
Oh,
No.
oh my lord! Jimmy! Jimmy, look!
Oh no, I accidentally pressed it by accident. Well, no turning back now. Oh gosh. Whee! Wow. You did it. Headshot.
You know, you gotta hit that thing like that. Yeah, you got the top side.
Look at them gangsters.
Pound it, pound it. I get broads in Atlanta, twisted up lean and shit, sipping fountain.
Oh. Oh, that must have hurt a lot. You and your boy doggy? Whoa! Wee. No! No, come back!
What are you doing?
Okay then. Great talk. Aw, cool! That is amazing!
All you need to do is stand on the resistance band.
Oh!
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh! Jeez! Oh!
I am from Japan, and I don't chop this change without looking counting. 1, 2, 3.
Damn it! Oh! Ah, the remix! Okay, the video is nearly over.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Best man.
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a
Ready.
Oh! Oh! Star Wars is alive! Another successful career. Oh! Okay, oh, came out of nowhere. Creepy baby. A pogo stick. This can't go well. Oh, yeah, oh. We'll just ignore that for now. Oh. Jeez.